Okay, folks, here we go again. All right. Last time I showed you this thing, I was whining about having the truck being like old house plumbing. Whining about that. Okay, so my fix is going to be, I have ordered a kit for the brake lines. Haul your hydraulic brake lines from the reservoir, master cylinder assembly down to the front axle calipers and the back brake axle calipers. And this is a 7-piece set. It is a, let's see, it's AGS brand Automotive Solutions, but it's their Easy Fit kit. For this truck here, this 2001 regular cab long bed, the CNC-139 kit is what came up, and then of course it has the AC Delco part number and a Dorman part number that this is a kit for. And it's a 7 ready to fit, nickel copper alloy type tubing, and there again, it's for standard cab, 4-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, long bed trucks. But it has here a part list of what is in there and what each line is supposed to go to. But here it is. I'll just show you a quick one here. They come coiled up like that. So that means I have to straighten them, bend them to fit the truck accordingly. But here's what I like best about the whole idea. Those ends, it's already pretty much cut to length. The ends are already flared. It already has the nut on the fittings on the line itself. So I'm not going to fight around with the whole idea of not only bending a brake line to fit the truck, match the original, but have to flare it too, and get the proper correct nut and all that. It's already there. I like that idea. But anyway, I'll get this one posted up sometime soon for you to look at and do an all over, or just skip through it and go from there. But anyway, after a few of you made some comments on the project and all that, I figured, well, I'd show you at least what I'm going to put on the truck to fix the problem. And I'm going to go ahead and replace the front calipers because they're the originals. I already done the back calipers. And Massey driver, I wished I had a lift for this project. I really do. But instead it's going to be trying to squeeze my big butt underneath this truck. I may just end up jacking it up, putting it all on jack stands and going from there. But at least get a couple more inches up off the ground so I can slide my size underneath it. But yeah, that's what we're looking at doing. Like I said, I'll probably do this over the 4th of July week. I'll have some time then, I hope. But until then, as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. I do appreciate you guys that do subscribe, guys and gals. And I appreciate all of you trying to promote my channel, giving me shout outs. I really do appreciate that also. Every time you guys give a shout out, it helps my viewership, subscriptions quite a bit. And I do appreciate when you guys do that for me. But anyway, like I said, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on another one.